kitchen where the magic's made. Leah and Trisha got it laid. Low-carb dishes on the rise. Healthy meals usually prize.
Hi there, I'm making chicken salad today. You can use this with keto bread, a lettuce leaf, some homemade almond crackers, some protein quest chips, whatever you want to do. First, I'm using this little gadget here, this cute little appliance to make my eggs. I used to boil them and I do not do that anymore. So you fill it up with water. I do it on hard. There's medium and custard. You pour it in, you put all 7 eggs in, and then you make a little hole at the top. Then you close the lid and you turn it on, and it will make this alarming sound when it's done, but it works. It feels perfect. So I suggest getting one of these. You don't have to, but it makes life easy. So while this is making, I'm gonna go ahead and take 2 cans of chicken. I have the chicken in water, and this is the size of cans I get, and I need to drain them and pour them in a bowl. So while this cooks, we're gonna go ahead and start adding to my chicken. I have dill relish because you don't want sugar. If you like sugar, you can add a liquid stevia. So I've already got this popped open, and I'm gonna do probably over half of this jar. And then I'm gonna go ahead and squirt some of my liquid stevia. And I'm gonna do about a half a teaspoon of onion powder. This is optional, you don't have to season. I just personally like seasonings. I also do garlic. I do salt and pepper. So I'm gonna do 1/4 of a teaspoon of the salt and 1/4 of a teaspoon of the pepper. Mix that in there. Now I'm gonna do some mayonnaise. I like Duke's. Don't use Miracle Whip. It has sugar in it. Probably know that. Two-thirds cup. Mix that together well and set it aside. We are going to add onion and celery, which is optional, and of course our eggs. So I'm gonna set this aside. I don't like the strings on my celery, so I do shave my celery. You don't have to. I'm doing 2 of them. I don't like the strings, never have. You can also do a celery seasoning. I like the texture and the crunch. And I have an onion also. One small onion. You don't need a lot. It's mainly for texture. Strings. I don't like those. Add that. Stir it in. And we're still waiting on our eggs. Okay, so my eggs are done and they're peeled, and I love how they peeled perfect, and I cannot peel eggs when I boil them, so I love having an egg maker. I have an egg slicer. It's not necessary, but man, they help. And I just add all of the eggs in here. You don't have to have eggs. Some people eat chicken salad without eggs, but I eat eggs. Okay. And just stir. You could do the same thing with tuna salad too. Now my husband likes to eat this with chips or crackers. He doesn't like to eat it on bread like a sandwich, but you could eat this on a chaffle, keto bread. I like chips. I like to pour it on top of a salad, just on top of lettuce. Okay, I'm gonna plate this up. So I plated mine with these Quest chips. I like all the flavors. I like the crackers too. I also can make my own, but this is convenient to have. I can also shred and cut my own lettuce, but this is very convenient too. So this is what I used today. I added tomato and avocado, and look how many chips you get in that bag. That's a lot. Anyways, this is really good. Not my first time having this, so I know what it tastes like, but it's really good. I like the crunch of a chip. If you like yours on bread, toast your bread. I like the crunch on the bread too when it's toasted. I hope you make this, and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.
In a kitchen where the magic's made, Leah and Trisha got it laid. Low-carb dishes on the rise, healthy meals usually prize.